Now we are going to be using Iriun Cam with OBS. Now remember what I said earlier, OBS is a free broadcasting software. You can easily download it and install it from the web without having any issues, right? But you have to sit down to make sure that you study the environment of OBS. But in this tutorials, we are going to look at how we can connect our phone camera with OBS using Iriun Cam, Iriun webcam. Now, remember the normal routine. Get this software downloaded and installed into your system and your phone respectively. Now, because I'm the one doing this, I have this software already installed on my system, especially when I was using it for vMix tutorials, right? So now I have my Iriun webcam and I have my OBS. So I'm going to download also the Iriun webcam into my phone, right? Because I'm going to be using Iriun webcam to do the synchronization. And also make sure that your system and your phone are connected to the same hotspot. One wonderful thing about this stuff is that you don't actually need data to run these stuffs. You just need an hotspot, something that will connect both systems together for easy synchronization. There's no data on mine now. I intentionally did not own my data because I just want to show us that you don't need a data for these stuffs. It's just free. Just need an open hotspot and internet access, something that can connect both system and phone together. Right, so let's go back to the drill of the day. All right, so you know what we do? Get Iriun Cam open in your system. All right, so this is Iriun Cam. Also, get open Iriun Cam in your phone. Right, so connect automatically. You don't need to IP address are the same. It kind of knows itself. It connects automatically. Right, so my phone and my system are being connected. So whatever my phone camera captures, you can actually see it on the system. Right, so now I'm going to go and open OBS because we are intending using OBS to make this connection and broadcasting. Right, so I'm opening OBS now. Like this, one screen, just your own screen, right? So all you need to do is go over to the control settings, the control unit. You see control here, you see start streaming, start recording, start visual camera, studio mode. Click on studio mode. It will now divide your screen between the preview screen and the program screen. Remember what I always say, the preview screen is your own personal screen, while the program screen or the projected screen is for your audience consumption, right? All right. So now, after that, go over to sources. Now, go to the plus signs here, click on it. Since it is a video or it's a camera, we are going to use video capture device. Click on it, then click OK. Actually, it's showing me DreadCam, so steady, but I'm not using DreadCam, right? So I'm going to search for the sources I'm using. You can see I'm using Iriun Cam, so I click on Iriun Cam. Then this is my Iriun Cam. It actually appears. I'm going to click on OK. Right, remember what I said, the resolution here is actually small. So all you need to do is right click on it, go to transform. You go to transform, you see fit to screen, Ctrl F shortcut. Fit to screen, you click on it, it will be fitted to the screen, right? So remember, this is your own screen. This is your own screen for your own consumption. Your audience can't see what you're doing here, right? So you have to move this scene to your audience scene. right, by using the button transition. So you click on it and it appears here. When it appears here, it is not yet on your audience screen yet, because my system now is not actually connected to any external screen. Yeah, this is how you can connect Iriun Cam with OBS. It's simple and it's straightforward. Stay tuned for my next videos. See ya.